We're looking at the Active Stylus pen. Now this is one you get on Amazon for a lot cheaper. As you can see, there it is just there. We're going to unbox it and show you guys how it works. So to start with, it's got a 1.45mm accurate copper fine point end tip that's on it. It does USB-C charging, as you can see there. And there's a bit more about it there in the box. So we're going to go and actually unbox it and show you guys how to set it up. So there is the instruction guide that's just there. Now this is pretty much point and play. So we'll put that to the side. And here it is here. So you've got the USB-C charging cable there to charge it. You've also got the different pen knobs if you want to use those. That's all that's in it. And you've got the actual pencil here as well. So let's go have a look at it. So it feels like a real kind of traditional pen, doesn't it? It's very, very light. You can use it on iPhone, iPad, those kind of things. You can also use it on tablets or other touch screens. Now this has 1 to 1.5 hours of charging, gives 8 to 10 hours of use, which is a lot of use there. There's a pin tip just there. So we're going to have a look at how this actually works on it. And there's the USB-C charging cable. But yeah, it looks and feels just like a pen. So you can write like that. So let's go and have a look at the enter charge knob. Literally just turn it over like this. So okay, now to move the nib, you just do it counterclockwise. Took me a little bit to get used to it, like that. And it comes off like that. And you're going to put the other nib on there that you want. So choose one of these other ones and you can put it on there quite easily. So let's go for the black one here. Go this one. Don't go this one, for example. And you screw it back in just like this. So very easy. So let's go and use it on an actual tablet now and see how it works. So put this to the side. So I've got my iPad just here, which is what I bought it for. Got my iPad just here, which is why I bought it. And here's the screen. Here's my iPad here. So look, it works straight away. So hello, this works. And look at how responsive it is too. So you can draw pictures, you can draw, and you can use different paint programs. Obviously I'm just using Notes at the moment. You can see how easy it is to use different programs. Key, and look at how responsive it is, just like that. It's perfect. Now this powers itself off after 30 minutes as well. And it can be used across a wide variety of tablets as well. And you can do USB-C charging to just there. You've got the USB-C charging cable just there. So very nice pen and very effective for the iPad.